Crafters. Welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and today is December 13th, but day one for me for the 12 Days of Christmas Advent box by Keepsake Quilting. And so I bought the box from Keepsake 2 years ago. I ended up buying the first box, and I really liked the box because it was had a lot of strawberries and summer and different things in it, which to me made sense, right? Because right now, if you're giving me Christmas stuff, I'm not going to be able to get it done probably before the holidays. And so this one was to me more forward thinking, and they gave us stuff further ahead. Last year's the box ended up becoming people had complained, so they went back to making it more traditional Christmas, blah, blah, blah. I ended up deciding that box just didn't appeal to me like the one did prior, so I decided not to subscribe and decided not to get this box. Then they ended up having a sale. They'd marked down some of the boxes, and the fact that they did 3 different boxes this year. And this one is called Retro, which is what I'm into. And I love the old Santa Claus and that. And so they hooked me in. So now it's December 13th. This is what I'm considering day one of the 12 days of Advent box. And we're going to open up and see what they provided this year. Now, I did notice this year that they, I believe I have not seen them on, I have not watched anyone else do this unboxing. I know some folks did it all in one day. Some of them did it December 1st. We all had to pick and choose when we wanted to do it. And for me, I chose to do it on December 13th to get started. So they provided a note that says, "Dear Keepsake Quilting family, as another wonderful year comes to a close, we want to take a moment to thank you for the continued support and loyalty. Sharing the joy of quilting with each of you is truly the highlight of our year. This year's 12 Days Advent box is extra special. Every item, fabrics, patterns, and notions was carefully selected to inspire projects and spark creativity well beyond the season. We hope you enjoy the excitement of unwrapping each gift day by day, discovering something new. You are the heart of Keepsake Quilting family, and we are so grateful to have you. From our family to yours, Rick and Dot Kimmelman, I believe, is the way you pronounce their last name, and they're the owners of Keepsake Quilting." So again, a nice note, and here we get started. So today is day one. They've actually sectioned everything off for us really nice. I did not realize that, or I would have probably open the box earlier because I do like to open it and make sure I have all 12 days in there. For some reason, I was thinking last year they just had everything in the box together and they didn't have it segregated by days, but this box is. So that's the way we're going to open it. So each day I'll post another video. So that'll be 3 videos from me. Sorry, guys, around what's going on. So day one, well, let's jump into what is there. Oh, it's a pretty sticker, though. Merry Christmas with the deers. Look how pretty the deers in that are. So I'm going to stick that over there. That came off really nice, and I can reuse it. So let's look at the first box. Sorry for the noise. The first box is a, it says created for Keepsake Quilting by SummitSaintShop.com. So it is a notions keeper provider, right? So just an opportunity to have like a nice travel box. For me, I would not use this probably for notions, knowing that I have some for other things, but I do like this size box because I have the big art bin boxes, which are really nice and have the handle in that, but sometimes they get to be too big, especially if I want to carry like half square triangles or even just 5-inch charm packs in that. So that is probably what I would use for this. That is day one. I can't say that I'm blown out of the water. It's nice. It's not a bad gift. It's just, I don't know that that's how I would have wanted to start off my box if I had put that together. But we'll see. We'll see as things continue and move forward. But again, it's not an item that I won't use. It is definitely something I would use. we'll see how the next 11 days go. Guys, thanks for dropping in, listening to me rattle on just a little bit about Keepsake Quilting's 12 Days of Advent box, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 2. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.